Is this the end of human work? We're hearing about AI taking over jobs, but is it really true? Today, we are putting AI to the test in a real-world scenario to see how it compares to human capability. The results might shock you. In this challenge, we're taking a common task and having both a human and an AI attempt to complete it. The goal isn't just about speed, but quality and creativity. Meet our human participant, a talented writer with years of experience, and the AI tool designed for creative storytelling. The task? Write a short story from a given prompt within 3 hours. The stakes are high, the outcome could change how you view work and creativity forever. Watch the human dive deep into ideas, brainstorming, outlining, editing. Feel their passion and struggle to find the perfect words. Meanwhile, the AI takes the prompt, processes endless data instantly, and generates stories effortlessly. But it's not flawless. The AI sometimes misses emotional depth, while the human wrestles with deadlines. This is creativity in motion, two worlds colliding. Halfway through, let's pause. Both storyteller and AI have made great strides, but challenges pop up. The human struggles to capture certain emotions, while the AI repeats cliches. Both need refinement. What's clear is how crucial human input is. Good prompts spark better AI results. This test reveals that AI alone can't fully replace human nuance. As the clock ticks down, tension rises. Watch the final edits, the human polishing prose with heart, the AI running final iterations. Experts join us to judge quality, creativity, and impact. Their verdict? AI is fast and impressive, but the human story holds a unique spark. The reveal leaves our writer visibly moved, proud yet contemplative. After the test, we talk with both the human and the AI developer. They share insights, how AI can be a powerful tool, but not a replacement. This challenge reshaped their views on creativity, work, and collaboration between man and machine. The future? It's not AI versus human, it's AI with human. What do you think? Is AI the future or just a powerful assistant? Share your thoughts and hit subscribe to follow this evolving story. The AI versus human reality test has only just begun.